If your battery has died in your key fob, here's how you can replace it. Also, if you're worried about damaging or breaking your key, you don't feel confident doing this on your own, just take it to your local Subaru retailer. They can do it for you there. All you're going to need is the key fob, the battery to replace it, which is a CR2032. I'll link to it down in the description below if you need to grab one. And then we have a flathead screwdriver. I prefer to use one with a wide tip on the end. We'll then take our key, flip it around to the reverse, click on the silver button to release the emergency key, just like that. And then some people will use this emergency key to crack open the body of the key, and I have done that in the past, but sometimes you can damage the body of the key doing this method. So while it might be more convenient, I don't usually use that method anymore. Instead, I use the flathead screwdriver, and I'll show you exactly where to insert this. So you're going to insert it right here in the center because that's where the seam, you'll notice the seam is right here on the body of the battery. You don't want to put it on the outside, that's where you can crack the body. So instead, put it on the inside, and then you just gently twist your screwdriver like so. And now we have access to the inside of the key. Gently remove the backing. Be sure that you keep the buttons face down because you don't want those to fall out. So we take the backing off, and then we have access to the key fob battery inside. So we'll take the little board out that holds the battery, and then with the edge of our fingernail on the edge of the battery, we can lift up and release the battery. Then we will take our good battery, put it back in. This one's already good in this case. We're just doing this as an example. And then it goes back in the opposite direction from left to right. Just like that, press it in place. And then we put the battery back in, and then the plastic backing goes on just like this. So line it up with the release button on the back, that silver button, and it goes in from bottom to top like that, clicks into place. And then you can take the emergency key and press it back in. There you have it. Now your battery has been replaced and ready to go.